Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear up black vertical lines or streaks on your Brother MFC-L5705DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Black vertical lines that occur only on copied or scanned documents are normally caused by dirt or correction fluid on the scanner glass or document feeder, and can be eliminated by cleaning those areas. Let's begin by lifting the document cover of your Brother machine. Wet the lint-free cloth with alcohol and clean the pressure bar. Then clean the white backing underneath the document cover. If your model comes with a scanner glass cover, grip the recessed handle and gently pull downward to open it. Now clean the glass and white bar inside. Next, gently clean the scanner glass and the glass strip next to it. Close the document cover. Then place a blank page in the document feeder and make a copy. If the page continues to print out with black lines, open the document cover and clean the bars and glass strip again. Run your finger along the glass strip and check for debris. If debris is found, concentrate cleaning on that area. It may require 3 or 4 cleanings to remove all the dirt and debris. After each cleaning, make a copy from the document feeder to check your progress. Once copies come through the document feeder without black lines, it's time to check the scanner glass. Open the document cover and place a blank sheet on the scanner glass. Close the document cover and make a copy. If the page prints without black lines, the cleaning process is complete. Otherwise, open the document cover and clean the scanner glass and white backing again. This too may require 3 or 4 cleanings to remove all dirt and debris. After each cleaning, make a copy from the scanner glass to check your progress. Once a copy prints without black lines, the cleaning process is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.